G'day, this is Zoran. I'm here to discuss good vibes versus bad vibes. So at this point of time, there's a war in Iran, inflation, a lot of uncertainty, and it coincides with Kehlani imposing herself and everybody playing Folded. Now, I'm not a big radio listener, but a lot of radio stations love playing Kehlani's Folded. That's very heavy music, and she's a very troubled type of person, and very miserable, bad energy as well, bad vibes. Everybody should be tuning into good vibes music, okay? To survive these times. So like about 12 months ago, when things were going pretty well, there was my favourite Olivia Dean. I love listening to Olivia Dean, but also Sabrina Carpenter and Gracia Abrams, that type of music. Very, very good vibes, very good. So that's the type of music I recommend people listening to, and boycott Kehlani. Don't listen to that and Folded and any of her new album or new tracks. Just avoid Kehlani and hope for better times, and yeah, it'll be good vibes again. Until next time, Zoran Marjanovic, stay tuned.